Next is, how can we separate a mixture of salt and ammonium chloride? Now, salt that we use in our homes like sodium chloride and ammonium chloride, it is a sublimable component. Sublimable means, in the first chapter we discuss about sublimation process. What is sublimation process? It is a process in which solid directly changes to the gaseous form. This is called sublimation. So, to separate the mixture that contain a sublimable volatile component from a non-sublimable impurity, the sublimation process is used. Means अगर अपने कोले sublimable means which directly converted into solid into gas. Sublimation non-sublimable means there is a different stages, not conversion of solid to gas or gas to solid, right? Non-sublimable. So sublimation process is used. For example, some sublime materials are ammonium chloride, camphor, जो कपूर बोलते हैं जो बच्चे आप, नैप्थलीन एंड एंथ्रासीन. बॉल्स देखिए ना, वाइट बॉल्स, वी ऑल्सो डिस्कस दिस इन आवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर. नैप्थलीन बॉल्स जो आप विंटर च यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है, टू पुट इन आवर क्लोथ्स, विंटर क्लोथ्स. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम वैन वी रिमूव दैम देयर साइज बिकम लैस, घट जाता है ना साइज उन्होंने, मीनस दे कन्वर्ट सॉलिड टू डायरैक्टली गैशियस फॉर्म, जबकि वो गिला नहीं होया हुंदा कपड़ा जिस रखते हैं आप उन्होंने, ठीक है. सो this is the process of sublimation. Now how can we separate sublime and non-sublime materials? For this we take here a china dish and put the solution of a mixture of ammonium chloride and salt, right? Then cover it with the flask, ठीक है, इनू कवर कर लिया. Then cover up with the keep. Then we start heating. जब तुम हीटिंग स्टार्ट करोगे, the ammonium chloride it get converted into the gaseous form, means vapor form convert होएगा, right, and get evaporated. Then here we put a cotton plug, कॉटन रखती थे ऊपर कवर के ऊपर, ठीक है. सो दैट वेपर्स आफ्टर सम टाइम गेट कंडेंसेस एट द सर्फेस ऑफ दिस कीप. इत्थे की ये कंडेंस होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द ammonium chloride and the residue which is left inside the china dish, that will be sodium chloride, right? So sublime materials can get, when we heated the material they get evaporated and we close here path, then this vapor form converts into the solid form, right, condenses at the surface. So this is sublime materials and the residue which is left, this is non sublime materials. Clear है बच्चे? Then our next topic is, in the dye in a black ink a single color. Is the dye is in black ink a single color? Single color तो मिलके बनी होती है dye. So for this we take a filter paper, draw a line at its bottom approximately 3 cm above from the surface, lower edge, right? We draw 3 line here and then put a dot of the black ink at the center of this line, right? We put a dot here at the center of this line. After that we take a beaker and fill it with the water and we dip this filter paper into this, right? We dip the filter paper in this cylinder or beaker, but the line that we have made, it should not touch the water. it touch नहीं करनी चाहिए water level दे नाल, ठीक है. It is just above the water level, थोड़ी जी ऊपर होनी चाहिए है. So watch carefully. What will you observe? Here it is rises. इत्थे के different inks जो mixture होएगा इत्थे rise करने start कर देनी है, ठीक है. सो डिफरेंट कलर्स जो मिक्स होणगे उन्नियां लाइन की इत्थे आपां नूं विजिबल हो जाणगियां पेपर दे उपर. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज़ कॉल्ड क्रोमैटोग्राफी, ठीक है. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड क्रोमैटोग्राफी. सो द इंक दैट वी यूज़ हैज़ वाटर as a solvent and the dye is soluble in As the water rises on the filter paper, it takes along with it the dye particles. अगर पानी राइज करेगा डाई पार्टिकल्स नाल राइज करेंगे. सो डाई इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर कलर्स. द कलर्ड कंपोनेंट दैट इज़ मोर सॉल्युबल इन वाटर राइजेस फास्टर. जो जल्दी सॉल्युबल हो जाता है वाटर दे विच वो फास्ट राइज कर जाएगा, मतलब कि उसकी हाइट ज़्यादा होएगी. ठीक है. एंड जो घट सॉल्युबल होएगा थोड़ा टाइम लेगा सॉल्युबल होने लिए, उसकी हाइट की होएगी लेस. So in this way we can separate the colors, and this method which we use to separation of components of color, this method is called chromatography. Chromatographic word comes from Greek word chroma. Chroma means color. So this technique was first used for separation of colors, so this name was given as chromatography. Clear? So what are its application? Color is dye, pigments from natural colors ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਕਲਰ ਮਿਕਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੈਪਰੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. drugs from blood. So these are its uses. Then next one is how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquids? Now what are miscible? As we discussed earlier, miscible liquid means which are completely mixed with each other. For example, acetone and water. So in this method we take a mixture of acetone and water in a distillation flask. This is a distillation flask, and at the top here a cork is placed and we fitted a thermometer in it, and this distillation flask is held with a clamp, right? So distillation flask we put the mixture and start heating. When we start heating, acetone get वेपराइज बनना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड एट दिस एंड इट गेट कंडेंस्ड. कंडेंसर मीनस इतने वाटर है बच्चे. ठीक है. सो इतने की होएगा वो कंडेंस होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. जो एसीटोन वेपराइज हो गया कूल डाउन हो जाएगा, दोबारा लिक्विड फॉर्म च आ जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड वी कलेक्ट इट इन दिस बीकर, एंड इन डिस्टिलेशन फ्लास्क वी लेफ्ट ओनली विद द वाटर. सो the method which is used to separate the miscible liquids, it is distillation method. Clear? Now one thing more, here is acetone and water. Its boiling point difference is greater than 25 Kelvin. Now those liquids which are mixed with each other and they have the boiling point less than 25 Kelvin, their boiling point is less than 25 Kelvin. To separate these mixture we use fractional distillation process. Fractional distillation process, basically this process is the same as that of the distillation. The only difference is that we adding a fractionating column in between the distillation flask and the condenser. ठीक है. तो एक fractionating column introduce कर देने हैं. So when we start heating, in this fractionating column we have a glass beads. ਕੱਚ ਦੀਆਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੰਚੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਉਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ. ਸੋ ਹੈਵ ਬੀਡਸ ਇਨ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ them. So and these beads provide the surface for the vapors to cool and condense repeatedly. Like so अगर मतलब कि वो बार बार उन्होंने कूल करी जाएगा और कंडेंस करेगा बार बार. ठीक है. when one thing evaporate become vapor, they come to this flask मतलब condenser and we collect it in a beaker or flask, and in this we left with the other material or maybe water or any liquid that is mixed with it. Clear है बच्चे? So this method is the same as the distillation method. The only difference is that we use here a fractionating column. ठीक है. In fractionating column we use the glass beads which repeatedly vapors to cool and condense repeatedly. प्रोसेस ਨੂੰ कंटिन्यू करी रखते हैं जब तक अपन प्योर फॉर्म जी हैगी नहीं मिलती. ओके.